The panic in Mnangagwa's camp cannot be separated from the long simmering power struggle between him and ambitious deputy VP Kosano Chiwenga. Sanapera mashoko ari kuonekwa kunzi VP Kosano Chiwenga panguva ino is being sidelined. Toda kuti vanhu vari kushamisika nokuona absence yaVP Kosano Chiwenga pamakey state functions panguva ino. Inoti subscribe or like or turn the bell kuti mnazimba kudonyora chiti Chiwenga's absence from key state functions, subtle policy differences and competing factions within the party point to a deepening rift. Speculation about impeachment efforts is widely seen as part of a broader campaign to resolve the ZANU-PF succession crisis, with Chiwenga believed to command significant support within the military and war veterans. His allies are said to be quietly positioning themselves to challenge Mnangagwa's bid to stay in power until 2030, a move critics view as unconstitutional and politically reckless. Insiders suggest the recent outburst from loyalists like Ziyambi may indicate rising anxiety within Mnangagwa's circle, especially in the face of deteriorating public confidence, economic discontent, and increased international scrutiny over repression and corruption. Though ZANU-PF's internal structure makes it difficult to unseat a sitting president through parliamentary impeachment, the mere talk of such a move reflects growing fractures within the ruling elite, fractures that could deepen as Zimbabwe lurches towards another leadership showdown. Domashiko anobuda panapa vanhu vachilinka kuti aiwa vipi Kosano Chiwenga mukanoti kune mamwe government or state functions panoonekwa kunzi aiwa havaattend, mukatarisa even pre-Cape farm visits anoitika vipi Kosano Chiwenga mogona kuashaiwa amutombovaoni. Kuda kuti kune kuchionekwa kunzi aiwa these tensions anoratidza kuti these guys panguva ino they are trying by all means kuti vakwanise kusadline vipi Kosano Chiwenga asi kuda kuti aiwa varane for the 2028 elections panguva ino. According aiwa kune zvinhu zvozikanwa nevanhu the gentleman agreement inozikanwa yakaitwa muna 2017, people they are saying to vipi Kosano Chiwenga aiwa munhu ari kuvharirwa kunze. Bodze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Kuna comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.